Here's how you can make a Pakistani grilled cheese. You guys know I gotta add a Pakistani twist to almost everything, so I wanted to give it a shot to see if it works. On brioche bread, I'm gonna add the oil from pickled veggies, also known as achar, and on the other side, I'll add clarified butter, also known as ghee. Now let's add slices of Havarti, cheddar, and Monterey Jack cheese, and in another pan, add more ghee with sliced onions, green Thai chili peppers, and cumin seeds. Get this a bit brown. Now add your crispy and fried onions on top of your cheese, followed up with more cheese and another slice of bread. Now you want to cook this low and slow so the bread gets brown and the cheese has time to melt. Also, don't worry about the cheese oozing out. It's going to be nice and crispy when it hits the pan. Oh, the onions make it. And you get a hint of that achar. I wasn't sure if the achar was going to make it better or worse, but that actually makes it better. And the onions are a little bit sweet because I didn't burn them. I slowly got them fried. So they're a little bit crispy, a little bit sweet, and it's not overpowering at all. Oh, and we got this little nice crispy bit from the cheese that hit the pan. I would have to say this is better than Dwayne's grilled cheese from Craig of the Creek, just because it has a little bit of that masala flavor with the cumin seeds. I'm gonna give this a 9.2 out of 10.